Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Haoxiang. Today I would like to talk about overfishing. So first and foremost, let us see about the table or content. In the first, I will have an intro about the overfishing, and then is the endangered fishes. Besides that, I would like to talk about the reason and effect of overfishing. In the last is the way to protect our ocean. So the first, the intro. Sorry about that. First and foremost, in modern world, there's a quarter of the world fishes collapse due to overfishing. Now that's an example. The fishes in Canada is not catching a single cod during the entire fishing season, which means the cod is collapsed right now. And then there was about 77% of fish resources are completely depleted in modern world. And then the global marine ecosystem extinction of the large fish species. Well, also there was have an example. The shark is killed by the purse of science but about 1 million per year. There was so much in the world. So and then beside that, there was about 13 billion per year in government subsidy for the large-scale industrialized fishes, which means our government is help the company to make overfishing right now, and that's really bad. And then the fishing fleet is killed approximately 27 million tons of fish annually, which means there's so much fish is being killed in modern world. So if we finish the intro, let us talk about the endangered fishes. Well, for me, I was have prepared about 10 type of endangered fish right now, but for the time, I would like to cut to about 5 type of fish. So let's begin. The first, the olive founder. The olive founder is have a highly priced in Asia, especially in Japan and China, and are classified as a rare and luxurious and ingredient, which means the overfishes will happen on this type of fish. So, and then I would like to talk about the sturgeon. The sturgeon is called a living fossil by scientists in modern world. So, but because of their very slow development, the sturgeon are often to use for the precious luxury food, which means this is expensive food in the modern world. This will make the company make this will make the company have overfishing in this type of fish. So yeah, these two type of fish is endangered right now. And then it's the Atlantic bluefin tuna. The Atlantic bluefin tuna is the most expensive tuna in modern world. Now, same as the sturgeon, this high price of the fish will lead to a massive fishery right now. And then it's the Melanthes ray. The Melanthes ray endanger is the main factor of Melanthes ray endanger is human activity, such as fishing with a large troll or overfishing. Besides that, the sole response of a protection measure by local government also a reason for Melanthes ray endanger right now. So this is the four type of the fish, and then there's the fifth type, the Boccaccio rockfish. I would like to talk about the Boccaccio rockfish. The Boccaccio rockfish can live up about 45 years, so technically this type of fish cannot be endangered, right? But there are also a variety of extinction due to overeating by human and overfishing. This reason also will make the Boccaccio rockfish endangered in the modern world. So this type of fish is really bad in modern world right now. So finish the endangered fish, I would like to talk about the reason and fact of the overfishing. So for me, there's four type of reason for overfishing. The first is the low return. The low the depletion of the fish stock forced the operation to invest in more fishing vessels, which means if the type of the fish or the count of the fish is more, the company cannot get a high return, so which can make overfishing happen. And then it's illegal behavior. So in order to reduce the cost of fishing, the illegal act will be happen, such as abuse. As you can see the photo right here, there was a fisherman from Indonesia is abused and dying on the Taiwan fishing vessel. As you can see, there's no humanity in modern world and really bad for the overfishing. About finish these two reasons, I will talk about the government. The government also the main reason of overfishing. The offshore fishing industry relies on government subsidy to survive, which means if the government cannot give enough, if the government cannot give enough responsible or assistance, the company will make the overfishing, right? And then the overfishing power also a main reason about the ocean fish. Sorry about that. The ocean fishing power also is the main reason of the overfishing. The mainland of China, Japan, South Korea, Indonesia, Spain, and Taiwan. This country has accounted for 77% of the fishing vessel on the high sea, which means one of this country, if one of this country not responsible, this will make the environment and the ecology collapse. So this country have a big reason about the overfishing. So talking about as you can see, for the reason there was a lack of an effective global marine convention in modern world, which means this will make a vicious cycle right now. Well, the first, if the overfishing happen, the depleted resource will happen, and then the government have to subsidize the company. So if the government subsidy of the company not enough, it will make the company will cut the cost of fishing. How to cut the cost of fishing? The illegal captive behavior is a good way to cut the cost. If the illegal captive behavior happen, the fish worker will be persecuted. So if the fish worker persecuted, which means the overfish is happen. So this the vicious cycle happen. And how to cut off the cycle, or how to protect our ocean? For me, there's a quite more way to protect our ocean. First and foremost, the establishment of the Global Maritime Convention is a good way. The protection mechanism of the Global Maritime Convention has made the protection mechanism for half of the Earth's high seas, which means they're so good. Besides that, the government around the world has already taken the first step to decushion the Global Ocean Treaty, which means the Global Marine Convention will be happen. So besides that, there's the third is the link on the website supporting the establishment of the Global Convention on the Oceans. And then the second way to protect our ocean is the establishing of a network of marine protect area. Maybe set the limit of fishing volume of fishing industry, or reduce the environment damage caused by destructive fishing practice. Is quite more way to protect our ocean. And then for me, the active for promotion of marine conservation education also is a better way for protect our ocean. Maybe photo exhibition, seminars, aquarium, various media, there's quite more way to tell the people do not catch, keep or eat rare or ornamental marine life. So the last, if we don't act anymore, one day the environment will be collapsed, which means our human will be hurt ourselves. So for me, we have to do something as fast as possible to protect our ocean. And the last, I would like to say thank you to everyone for listening my introduction of overfishing. So thank you. Have a nice day.